Now, before we jump in, let me set the stage. I've been making this beautiful milkshake every Thanksgiving for over a decade now. It's a crowd pleaser, so let's get into it. Here's what you'll need. Apple cider, about 2 cups, or go rogue, it's your shake. Vanilla ice cream. I like mine creamy and smooth, no fancy specks of vanilla bean here. You'll want 2 to 4 scoops, adjust to your heart's desire. A large, preferably chilled glass, because we're staying classy, folks. A blender, or, wait for it, a fork. Yes, we're going old school milkshake today. An optional but totally encouraged, whipped cream and pumpkin pie spice for that extra festive touch. Ready? Here we go. Start by scooping 2 to 4 glorious scoops of vanilla ice cream into your glass, or your blender if you're feeling fancy. Pour in your apple cider. About 2 cups is perfect, but if you want it thicker, use less. Want it runnier? Add more. No judgment here. And now for the fun part. Blend it. Or, if you're like me and love a challenge, grab your fork and mix away by hand. Watch as the apple cider and ice cream transform into a creamy, dreamy milkshake right before your eyes. Forks are very underrated, trust me. Once your shake is perfectly smooth, or as smooth as a fork allows, it's time to get fancy. Top it with whipped cream, pile it high, no one's stopping you, and sprinkle on a dash of pumpkin pie spice for that extra Thanksgiving flair. And there you have it, your very own apple cider milkshake. No milk required, and no rules followed. Sip it straight from the glass or grab a straw and savor that festive flavor all night. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's sure to make your holiday a little brighter. Now go on, give it a try, and if you love it or hate it, let me know in the comments below. I'll be here enjoying my shake with a fork in hand. Cheers, and happy Thanksgiving.